In this video, I'll show you how to get an animated Discord rich presence. First, it's important to understand what rich presence is. It's a feature that shows what you're doing on Discord, like playing a game or using an app, and it can include images, buttons, and custom text. To create an animated rich presence, you'll need to use Discord Developer Portal and a tool that supports animated assets. Start by going to the Discord Developer Portal and create a new application. Give it a name, then open it and go to the Rich Presence section. Next, upload your assets. Normally, Discord only supports static images, but you can simulate animation by using GIFs, convert it into sprite-style frames, or by using external tools that update the image dynamically. After that, use a rich presence tool like a custom script or apps like PreMiD or other RPC tools to connect your Discord account to your application. These tools allow you to display custom statuses, images, and buttons. Configure your presence by setting the text, buttons, and image assets. If your tool supports it, you can cycle through multiple images quickly to create an animated effect. Once everything is set up and running, your Discord profile will display the custom animated rich presence. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.